Hey, what's going on, guys? Caucasian Mark here, whitest dude on the internet, and I just realized I was streaming this, but I wasn't streaming it to anywhere. So this is like my third time recording this. So I should have this intro to my CSS tutorial down pretty damn well by now. At least I hope so. So welcome. This is a CSS tutorial. It is obnoxiously long. You don't have to watch all the videos. That'd be cool if you did. Or if you just looked at my playlist and just hit play and then walked away for a while and have it continue on the next video, whatever you prefer. But anyways, we are going to be learning about Cascading Style Sheets. It's the part of coding that makes your page look sexy, irresistible, gets people to come there. You know, there's functionality and other stuff, but we'll get to that later. So if you go to a website and there's drop shadows, you know, there's certain parts of the page that are on this side as opposed to the other. You know, text looks different. Basically anything that makes it look kind of you know, marked up and pretty beyond something that's just basic and standard, what you'd see in just working in HTML. Odds are that's CSS, unless there's something magical going on or there's just a wonderful graphic designer. But whatever the case may be, we're learning CSS right now. And what I want you all to do, just to make this easier on yourselves, future employers, everybody else, is in your root directory where you have your index.html file. I want you to have your standard HTML layout right here, the bare bones. But then I want you to create a folder inside of there, and I want you to, what if that was even words I just spoke right there, make a styles.css page or file. There's nothing in there right now. That's where we're going to mark up everything and make it look pretty, just so we can stay organized, because as projects get bigger, as you get better, you don't want to be scrolling through XYZ and it gets annoying as shit and your employer's looking at you like you're a dumbass, and the next time you're up for promotion they all gather you in and CEO laughs at you and says no way because you're bad at organization. So keep everything separate. You'll be loved forever, at least for that skill. The next thing you want to do is you want to link to this right here. So you're going to type all this out right here, and this is going to be your folder, / open the door. What's behind there? The styles.css page in there. Just because, like I said, we want to keep this organized. There's multiple ways we could say, hey, we want CSS to mark up our page. We could even write the CSS inside of this index.html file. We could easily do that. I'm not going to, only because it is sloppy. It's pretty sloppy, and it's okay for learning off the bat, but I'd rather get y'all started on some good habits. So I recommend writing your styles on another page. Also, even inside of these p tags here, you can still render CSS. You can keep on going with it, and there's overriding principles we could look at as well with CSS. But for starting off, just pause this video, or if you've already have it typed out, go for it, and I will see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe, contribute, bring me some coffee, whatever it is, and keep on rocking in the free world.